Brought to you by VFTV.
Welcome, Vault Club members, to another preview show from Topperzstore. Today, episode 33, and Pierre, I can't wait to see what you got in the warehouse now.
Oh yeah, so we had a lot of stuff come in. So this will be one of the first episodes where we show off snapbacks too. So we've got a pretty good clip here. We got NCAA, we've got some NHL, we've got some AHL, and we got some Major League Baseball. So a little bit of everything, but what I wanted to start with was the college stuff. So, you know, what we did here was we created some fitteds and some snapbacks that have somewhat of a retro NCAA feel. So we're going to get those first. And we're going to start here with Georgia Tech.
Oh, nice.
So as a kid, Georgia Tech is one of those schools that just had great logos, and I used to wear a lot of their hats. And you know, for anybody who followed Georgia Tech basketball back in the day, you know of Kenny Anderson and some of those guys that made Georgia Tech a pretty cool school. This one, like, you know, it's got some metallic gold in there. You've got some Vegas gold looking threading. You got Georgia Tech on the back. Nice. And then what I thought was really cool was some of these snapbacks we did. So these are 950 snapbacks, and we wanted to give them kind of like an old retro feel. So this is the Georgia Tech. So this one's got Vegas gold, navy. You got that Georgia Tech on the front, outline in metallic gold, and then Georgia Tech on the side. Just a really nice looking snapback. These things came out incredibly well. So with Georgia Tech, another school that was pretty famous and still is, it's the Georgetown Hoyas.
Oh yeah,
Patrick Ewing era Georgetown Hoyas. Stone, navy. You got the Hoya on the front.
The side pitch is cool.
And Georgetown across the back. This thing looks amazing. Nice and clean. We didn't want to go wild with colors. These are NCAA. Nice and clean. And I think the snapback is equally as good. I mean, this is the style of snapback in terms of like the script on the front that I used to wear as a youngster. And I know a lot of you out there did.
It's classic.
Get that big old G on the side. Green UV, super clean. This thing's money in the bank.
Nice.
Now, we did two UNC fitteds. We wanted to do two UNC fitteds to accompany the snapback. So what we did here was, this is navy cord. You see a lot of UNC done with regular materials, but we did it in all navy cord with a green under. You got that ram on the front.
That's one of the best logos, in my opinion.
This one might be the best college logo out there, this front logo.
Yeah.
But there's another logo that UNC has that's pretty cool too. And that's the Tar Heel. Stone, navy, metallic blue gray. You got that little black there for the tar on the heel. Then you get that nice Tar Heel script in metallic blue gray on the back. These are some of the best college hats I've seen in a long time. And I know we might be a little biased, but these are super clean.
Absolutely.
And this snapback, I'm gonna be wearing these snapbacks because these things are crazy. So this one,
yeah,
powder blue. You got the Tar Heels in white. North Carolina written in navy. Metallic blue gray.
Nice.
Something I would have worn in high school for sure.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Auburn. We had two hats that we tried to do for Auburn from a fitted perspective. One of them didn't get approved, but this one did. This classic Auburn Tiger.
Beautiful. Is this black or is it navy? No, it's black, right?
No, navy.
Navy. Okay.
Yeah, that's Auburn's colors are navy.
Yeah.
And we'll see it. We'll see like what it looks like. This snapback is sick.
Oh yeah.
Auburn in orange and navy. You got the tiger on the side.
Mm-hmm. Ah, that's great. That's great.
Came out really good.
Mm-hmm.
And now, probably alongside Duke, the most famous team of the 90s, the UNLV Running Rebels.
Mm-hmm.
All black. Anyone that remembers this team, Larry Johnson, Stacey Ogden, Greg Anthony. You got UNLV across the front with Running Rebels in metallic gold. That 1990 Final Four patch.
So great, that patch. Yep.
This hat is killer. And we wanted to give a different feel on the snapback, give it an even more vintage feel. So we went with chrome.
Mm-hmm.
So for all of you fitted guys out there that you're seeing these 950s, right? The 950 for me is the most translatable to a fitted hat of all of the snapbacks that they have over at New Era. So we wanted to make some snapbacks that fitted guys could wear too. So if you like snapbacks, great. If you're a fitted guy, great. Either way, these are going to work for you. So give them a shot. These things they have the same form and build in terms of the boxiness that you would have with a fitted.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one hat we did only a snapback for. It only really made sense on a snapback. And for those that remember this team, the Cougars.
Mm-hmm.
So Phi Slamma Jamma. For those that don't know, Clyde Drexler, Hakeem Olajuwon. This team was just a behemoth.
Mm-hmm.
You got that Phi Slamma Jamma across the side there. I mean, if you're rounding out your college collection, this is the set for you. So those are all the NCAAs. Are there more coming? Of course, but we want to see how these do first. Now we've got we've got 3 NHL hats that made the cut for this video. First, it's this vintage New York Rangers. It's got that vintage feel with that blue and that, like, I forgot the name of the actual red. It's like a wine almost, right?
Yeah, Cardinal, I guess it was.
Cardinal. Yeah, but it looks it plays off as an older one, right? Like it looks like it's got an older feel to it.
It looks great. I love that side patch. It's a beauty.
Came out super clean. I love this. Obviously I'm a Boston guy, so the New York Rangers aren't something that I would wear quite often, but it's still a great looking logo. All right, next up we got the Minnesota Wild. We did them in their natural colors before. Now we flipped it around a little bit. And this is one of the best embroidered logos that New Era has for NHL.
Absolutely. Everything you put on the back of this logo in the front looks like metallic. So this red is not metallic, but it looks metallic. It's
it looks it because of the depth. And then one more NHL. The Sabres.
Classic with the vintage logo. This is nice.
The side patch is what makes it, though. This is like, I think, I also love that vintage NHL shield. But this side patch is great. Metallic, we got metallic blue in there. You've got some gold in there. This thing just like shines, man.
Yeah, absolutely. That's beautiful.
Now we have 2 AHL hats, and these are probably my 2 favorite AHL teams to do because I just love their logos. First is the Condors. You got brown, navy. That Condors logo that you and I had resized, if you remember, because it was too small at first. We had it made bigger.
Yeah.
And then you've got this.
Perfect.
So good, man. We put the big AHL on the back of this one to change it up a little bit. Now this one we did we had done one originally like maybe over a year ago. It wasn't getting approved, and all of a sudden the black one got approved, and now we have the 2.0.
Yeah.
Of the Rockford Ice Hogs. This logo is one of the best in sports. I don't care what anybody tells me. It is crazy.
I like that. Yeah.
Stone black. Red. You got metallic copper in there. You got metallic copper kind of behind the Rockford Ice Hog on the side there. This thing might be better than the black one.
Yeah, I agree. They're both great, but this is slightly better.
Changes it up a little bit having the two-tone. Yep. Actually, he popped better off of this stone because of the black.
Yeah, and the stick is so big. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I agree.
Okay, now to round out the video, we've got 3 Dodgers hats. So I think people are going to be really excited about these. You know what? We're only going to show one of the Dodgers hats. We're going to save one. We're only going to show one of the Olympic patches. We're going to save one for later.
Oh, yeah.
This is the 50-50 Ohtani. Now, legendary. I mean, you look at Ohtani, you don't think he's going 50-50, but the guy is fast too, which is unbelievable. This guy is incredible.
Yeah.
When you and I saw the 50-50 patches, you know, I had some reservations. You made some in Europe. I used this one over here with you in the US. It came out fantastic.
Yeah, they look great.
Blue, gray under, classic white button. Ohtani's 50-50 season. Now this one is, there's 2 Olympic patches that I was going to show. I'm going to leave one. We're going to do that as a shock drop somehow. But this one,
nice.
Royal, red LA, red button, green UV.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this came out good, man.
That side pitch is so good.
I like it. Really good. This is probably my favorite MLB side patch now. It's just so good.
I agree.
It's up there with like the 99 for me, the 99 Red Sox. It's up there with you know, the Baltimore one that we've used quite often. That one.
Yeah, all these big ones.
Yeah. And I'll even put the Yankees 99 in there only because I can't lie. That's a great patch. So that's it. That is what's available. So now that the video is over, you guys can send your emails over to mh@topperstoreusa.com. This last batch, we got them invoiced and out within 2 days. So that's what I'm going to aim to do with these 2. So you go ahead and send your requests in now. Make sure that you're very clear in your descriptions, so it's easy for Anna and I to create the invoices, and we'll get these invoiced, paid, and then out to you guys as soon as humanly possible. And I want to thank you guys for being Vault Club members. And with that, Pat, you want to take us away?
Yes. Thank you, Pierre, for showing off these fantastic new hats. And as Pierre already said, bring your emails in, get your hands first on these fantastic hats. And thanks for watching.
See you, everybody.